Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Learn with Art. Now in this video we are going to implement linear search in C programming. So for that purpose here we have taken main function. In that main function I have declared array A with 5 elements. Instead of this you can accept number of array elements from user also. The procedure for accepting array elements is explained in the video. Link for that video is provided in the description box. After that we will accept the searching element from the user, and that element will be stored in K. Now it will call the linear search that takes two parameters. One is array and second one is searching element. So here I have defined the linear search. So when I will call linear search, it will take two parameters, that is array and searching element. Now execution counter will go to this line. So here we have first parameter as array and second parameter as searching element. Executing linear search will require two more variables. One is I for indexing purpose and one more variable, that is flag, is required. So I have initialized flag to 0 because I want to use it like boolean variable. So I have first initialized flag to 0. Now first we will compare value of K. So suppose user have entered the value of K as 40. Consider value of K as 40. So first, according to the linear search algorithm, K will be compared with A of 0. So if it does not matches, then it will increment the index of array, and then it will compare with A of 1 with K. If it matches, then it will return its location, otherwise it will increment again the index of array. Okay, so let's consider this loop, that is for I is equal to 0. So it will start index of array from 0 onwards up to 4, because we have the size of array as 5. Okay, so if A of I is equal to K, so it compares with first element of the array, because we have started from 0. So A of 1 is equal to K. So my value of A of 1 is 56 and value of K is 40. It does not matches, so this condition does not satisfy. So it come out of this if condition, and now it will increment this I again. So now value of I will be 1. So again it will move inside the loop, that is because I is less than 5, it satisfies the condition. So A of 1 is equal to K. So my value of A of 1 is 31 and value of K is 40. So again this condition does not satisfy because these two values are not same. So again it will come out of this if condition and it will increment the counter of I. Now my value of I is 2. So it will compare with A of 2 to K. So A of 2 is 67 and the value of K is 40. Again it does not satisfy this condition, so it will come back to increment the next I. So now the value of I is 3. So A of 3 is equal to 4. It will get compared and it matches the condition. So it will move inside this if condition, because value of A of 3 is 40 and K is also 40. So now it will change the value of flag from 0 to 1 and it breaks the current loop. Okay, so now it will come out of this for loop. Okay, so now the value of flag is changed to 1. So it will compare here the value of flag. So if flag is equal to 1, then it will print its index of the location of searching element. So printf element found at location %day, and now the value of I is 3. So it will print element found at location 3. So if condition satisfies, so it does not follow this else part, and here the linear search function executed, and we have got element at third location of the array. Okay, so here we have successful search. Suppose the searching element is 14 instead of 40, we have 4 element. So what will happen here? So up to the 3 we have seen, so again a of 3 will get compared with k, so a of 3 will is equal to k. So again it does not satisfy the condition, so it will increment the counter by 1. So now the value of I will be 4. So now a of 4 will get compared with k, so a of 4 is now 12 and value of k is 14. So again it does not satisfy the condition, again it will increment the counter to 5. So now the value of I is 5, but 5 is less than 5. This condition will not be satisfied, so it will come out of this loop, and the value of flag is still 0 because we haven't moved inside this if condition. So flag is set to 0 only. Now here the value of flag will be checked. So if flag is equal to 0, so this condition does not satisfy because the value of flag is now 0. If flag is equal to 1, this condition does not satisfy because we have value of flag as 0. So it will go to else part, and here it will print element is not present in the given array, because we have searching element as k is equal to 14, and we have compared from start of the array to the end of the array, but we haven't get the searching element in the array. So it will print element is not present in the array, and here the execution of linear search function is completed, and it will move again back to the main function. Here no statements to execute, so here execution of linear or sequential search is completed. So if we discuss about the complexities, so in case of linear search, the best case will happen when searching element will present at the first index of the array, or first array element is the searching element. That would be the best case. So in that case we'll require only one comparison, so its complexity for best case will be order of 1. And if we compare it with the worst case, then worst case happen in case of linear search. If element is found at last of the array, then that can be called as a worst case. So in that case we have to compare all the array elements from start to the end, and we'll get element present at the end of the array. So it takes order of n complexity, where n is the total number of elements present in the array. We have to compare all n elements with the searching element. That's why the worst case complexity will be order of n. So best case is order of 1 and worst case is order of n. Average case time complexity for the linear search is again order of n. Hope so you have understood how linear search work. If you have any queries, then please do comment, and never forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.